Hi, everyone, and a very warm welcome to all of you to this episode of All Things Lean. My name is Madhulika Rajahan, mother, author, green energy enthusiast, and a certified Lean Six Sigma black belt expert. In today's episode, we will talk about aesthetics and how they help you design better. So, before we start, let's understand what do we mean when we say aesthetics. Aesthetics is a core design principle that defines a design's pleasing qualities. In visual terms, aesthetics include factors such as balance, color, movement, pattern, scale, shape, and visual weights. Designers use aesthetics to complement their designs' usability and also enhance functionality with attractive layouts. According to Paul Rand, the art director and graphic design famous for logos such as IBM, design is the method of putting form and content together. Design, just as art, has multiple definitions. There is no single definition. Design can be art, design can be aesthetics. Design is so simple, and that's why it is so complicated. Aesthetics in design is not equal to art. Aesthetics is an age old principle that revolves around the nature of beauty and the fact that people prefer pretty things. It's central to the field of architecture, graphic design, and perhaps everything around us. As a vital ingredient in user experience design and interaction design, aesthetics impacts and interfaces UX in several ways. Humans are hardwired for visual input, and users' first impressions typically form a 50 milliseconds as their gut reactions guide them to either continue using your design, product, or abandon it. Aesthetics here refers to the lines, colors, spacing, and more on websites and apps, namely what elements you choose and how you apply them. For example, when your website has good aesthetics, you create an attractiveness bias. What that means is that you appeal to users on a visceral level, leading to an emotional design, more traffic, more time spent on the site, page, or screen view, and a lower bounce rate. Secondly, make users more tolerant of usability issues. Studies have shown that users rate visually appealing designs as more usable than they truly are. This aesthetic usability effect has been explored extensively, notably by UX design pioneer and author Ton Norman. Attractiveness bias is a short term effect, though good looks can't save a bad product. So it's vital to design for the user's experience and optimize usability. Applying well considered aesthetics to work together with your design's functionality. Google's simple design showcases highly effective aesthetics, instantly declaring its purpose as users' eyes are drawn to the function in a calm, clean layout they expect Google from. Leveraging aesthetics to make beauty work best for you. So, we'll discuss some points where you can make aesthetics work for you. Visual appeal exists in objectivity and subjectivity. What does that really mean? When some aesthetic choices will resonate with all users and other will be flawed virtually everywhere, that is, red elements on blue backgrounds. Aspects of your users, including their culture, age, and educational level, will impact how they receive your design. For example, the dangerous racy connotation of color red in the West contradict how Eastern cultures typically view red. So user research is also essential. Let form follow function. This is a classic design concept, means an object's form or aesthetics design should stem from the function it executes. As renowned designers Charles Eames stated, design is a plan for arranging elements in such a way as best to accomplish a particular purpose. Therefore, it's vital to set out well chosen page, screen elements harmoniously and with a good visual hierarchy so you can guide the user's eye to the page or screen's functionality. Make the aesthetics consistent with what users expect to see. That is, sans serif font for more casual websites. Thirdly, use timeless rules, principles such as the golden ratio, rule of thirds, and the Gestalt principles to optimize your choice and use of elements. To help eliminate users' uncertainty and quickly give them a right visual cues. For example, by taking advantage of the Gestalt principle, where you exploit universal truths about how humans see things, you can achieve optimal contrast, spacing, and more to please or calm users while sending the right message about your product and brand. That includes maintaining transparency to maximize users' trust. Always remember the context. Users access and use designs and products in often complex and sometimes chaotic real world situations. They'll want to achieve goals and get fast results. Need simple, crisp layouts with elements that maximize ease of usage. So, when you respect their in the moment needs and usage, for example, clunking to help lighten their cognitive loads, their appreciation will reflect in your design success. You can use aesthetics to highlight your design's more crucial functionality and mute or disguise less critical functions. Good aesthetics can be extremely simple, as Google.com demonstrates. Above all, design is a conversation with your user, and therefore, why aesthetics and minimal design or a zero clutter is a principle used to check for usability issues in heuristic evaluations. Your elements and layout choices should show your users the right thing in the right way while telling them a fresh, captivating story about your brand. All your elements, including their overall effect together on each page or screen, should serve a purpose and instantly direct users to what they want to do. To produce a calm, clean, good looking, and highly usable design, you'll often need to make compromises and cut back on what to include. However, your design's critical functionality always comes first. An attractive product that draws users to use it for its main purpose. Unlike art, good design's aesthetics should be easily understandable, where users never have to guess what your design means. I hope with this you'll be able to use the knowledge better to design better for your end users. With this, we come to an end to this episode of All Things Lean. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment in the comment section on what you'd like to hear more. Until next time, this is your host, Madhulika Rajahan, signing off. Have a wonderful day ahead.